to sine inverse x. Okay, differentiating sine inverse. But before that, okay, what is sine inverse? Let's understand this. Okay, for example, if I have, let's say if I have sine, oops, sorry, let's say if I have inverse sine 0.5 equals to a. Okay, inverse sine 0.5 equals to a. Then sine a should be 0.5. What does that mean? Okay, sine of angle A equals to 0.5. So from here we know A equals to 30 degrees. Okay, or pi over 6. Okay, so that's what inverse sine means. So if this is what it is, y equals to inverse sine x, then I can write that x equals to sine y. Okay, so to differentiate this, I'm going to differentiate both sides, differentiating x in terms of x. Okay, it's not really x. Okay, in terms of x, that's why I put it as a bracket. Okay, you can choose any letter if you get confused because you have two x's here, you can put maybe a equals to sine y, doesn't matter. Okay, but in this question they've already given x, so I'm going to differentiate that. So when I differentiate x over here, I'll get 1, and over here differentiating sine y, okay, over dx, okay, this will give me 1, and differentiating sine is cos y, and every time when I differentiate y from implicit differentiation, we know that we have to multiply by dy dx, because we are not differentiating in terms of x, we are differentiating in terms of y. Okay, remember, so y is what I'm differentiating with. So when I have this, then dy over dx equals to 1 over cos y. Okay, 1 over cos y. Then okay, before that, sine y square plus cos y square equals to 1. Okay, this is the common identity, the very first identity that we have learned. So if this is the case, so what is cos y? So cos y square equals to 1 minus sine y square. So cos y equals to square root of 1 minus sine y square. And from here we know x equals to sine y. When I sub this inside, so cos y equals to 1 minus x square. Okay, 1 minus x square. So subbing this value over here, or this identity, so I will get 1 over dy dx equals to 1 over square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so remember, when you differentiate inverse sine, your answer is differentiate inverse sine, you get 1 over square root of 1 minus x square.